The 2009 Mercedes E350. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine. With a 7-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this rear-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 19 miles per gallon. This vehicle features traction control, leather seats, and alloy wheels. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include multi-disc CD player, Harman Kardon sound, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.